All right, Brian, what are you doing?
Well, I've made a bunch of these. Maybe you saw them in an earlier posting, but these are all going to be necklaces, pendants. A whale's tail I'm working on, and a whale.
And what are these made out of?
The whale-related carvings I like to try and do out of whale's ivory, so these are both made out of whale's tooth. These are both made out of antique walrus tusk, because they're kind of Alaskan themed. So I'm going to suspend them I make a silver loop like this, and I solder this tab on the inside of it, and then I cut a slot in the bottom of the Swan, in this case, insert it. I've drilled a hole and made little notches on the tab so that the glue will grab into that real good. It should be locked on forever. This one gets a slightly different treatment. It's actually going to have a cup that the tail sets into, and then that gets, before I put the tail in it, of course, I solder it on the inside of the loop. That's what we're up to. These are almost done. I'm so psyched.
And are those all spoken for?
Everyone except for this ugly little seal.
Who would want that?
I don't know.
Maybe you.
Yeah, maybe. But yeah, the Swan actually has been very popular. I started off making a pair of earrings in a similar way, and then somebody saw that and loved it, so I made them a pendant, and then the person who I made the earrings for saw the pendant and says, hey, could you make it? So here we are, made another pendant. And the thing that's kind of neat about this Swan that is different from the first ones that I did is that I've started to actually add black horn in for the beak instead of just scrimshawing the ivory. The same with the seal. The nose and the eyes are all inlaid black horn, and the eyes on the Swan, of course. So that's kind of a cool thing.